What do you want for Christmas?
Hoes.
Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces Queen. In today's video, I am doing my Christmas look. I did it on Christmas morning. I was feeling the Christmas makeup look. Actually, I wasn't. I wasn't feeling it at all. I just made myself get up and do this look because I really wanted to do it, but I didn't want to do it. So today's video, I am telling you guys about my year, 2023. It started off pretty good year. Everything was going well. Good job. Good at home. Kids were great. Passing all classes. Everybody was doing great. And then, prices started going up. It probably went up before then, but I never noticed. But prices started going up on food, and trying to keep groceries in this house was just like, oh my god, I just spent $100. I feel like I spent 30. I'm sure everybody understands that part. But it was a lot. It was a lot stressful when you got 4 kids. When you're used to having food in this house all the time, and then you gotta go to barely having food because food costs so much money. And you gotta take out extra money to buy food. It's like, ugh, oh my god. But eventually, you get used to that, and you spend the amount of money you need to spend in the store to make those groceries, so it will last. So that part came up pretty nice. Other than that, the job was doing great. I almost had another job. I know I told y'all about that, but I turned it down because I love the job where I'm at. So that turned out pretty well because I got a raise. And on top of that, I get 2 more raises in March. So that would be an awesome situation. So I can't wait for that. The bad thing about this year was the fact that the prices went up on the food, and I had problems with my child, my oldest. She went through some, you raise your children to be the best that they could be, and you do all that you could do, and then when they get out into this world with these other kids, that's like bad influence. And I'm not saying it's their fault, because she's 18, so she know her right from her wrong. It's not that she don't know. She just chose to do other things, calling herself helping people that don't deserve. Calling these people her friends. If they were your friends, they wouldn't allow you to get in so much trouble. They wouldn't actually do things that they wouldn't do. Those are not your friends. So I had to deal with that. Well, we had to deal with that this year. And hopefully she learned her lesson, because she had to go to one of those charter schools. I think that's what they call it. The school for the bad kids. And she had to go there for 45 days. So hopefully she has learned her lesson, and we will not go back through this again. And I do not want to go through this with my other 3 children. And then, well, actually, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, but it took me out of the Christmas spirit. Like, this year, I did not decorate my front yard. I did not buy a tree. Normally we buy, I do the wall tree, or we will buy a real tree. I did not want to do any of those things. I was not in the Christmas spirit. No one asked me to put the decorations up. No one asked to buy a tree until the last moment. And I was like, man, I'm not buying a tree. I'm not buying a tree. I'm not putting up these decorations. I don't feel like in the Christmas spirit. Even on Christmas Day, I felt like blah. All my kids got just about everything they wanted. Some things coming late, but everybody got what they wanted. That's all that really matters to me. I even got my husband a few things, and my best friend something. And my two friends in my group, Miss Tawala Cole and Making Money Monique, I both got them something as well. So I feel like I got everybody something, and we all good. You know what I'm saying? But as far as the house front, no one bought me anything, and if they did, it's gonna probably be late, which is still fine. I'm not complaining because I bought myself a lot of things. Um, Other than that, this year has been like a flop. Hopefully 2024 is better, and hopefully I get many more blessings. I'm just blessed to be alive. I'm content with being just alive. You know, not everybody get to wake up every morning. So far, I'm waking up almost every morning. I mean, I'm waking up every morning, not almost. Um, but other than that, I got the things I like to do, which is do my makeup. I like to do YouTube. I like to game now. If you didn't know, I'm a semi gamer. Okay, like I like to play the game, and I also stream. I have a video camera now, so you know if you want to support me, come watch me play the game. You know I'll leave all my things in the description box. But I like to play the game. I'm a YouTuber, do makeup, and I love supporting other people and you know managing a few pages here and there. I like to do a lot because being a manager to some people pages are a lot. Like I'm a manager to one person page right now, besides Danny and my kids, but they don't post like he do. So it's like his page is a lot. I had to take a break, but I love doing it. I love to support other people. So I mean, you don't really need a manager on YouTube. All you gotta do is ask me what you need to do to pump your page up. I will even tell you what to do, free of charge. Just tell you. But if I gotta do it, then it's costing my time and my money. It costs time, so my time costs you money. But other than that, I just want to say thank you guys for supporting me and watching my channel, watching my videos, leaving like real comments. I really do appreciate that, and I can't wait to post many more videos. Like there's so many things to post. I just gotta get up and do it. I have to find the strength to get up and do it, which is always hard sometimes when you're in a funk, but you gotta go on camera and be this other person. I'm not saying I'm pretending, because I don't like to be fake. Y'all know the only thing fake about me is my lashes and my hair. Sometimes my hair. I gotta put that out there sometimes. But I can't keep it too real because I don't like my business out in the streets. Everybody needs to know about what's going on in your home. Some things should be kept private. Some things should be kept private. Like anything about my marriage is kept private. Just know that we're still married, still going strong. 22 years, going on 23. So exciting. No, is it 20? It's 22 years. Yeah. Anyways, you guys, this is coming to the end of the video. I thank y'all for watching and listening to me vent a little bit about my year, and hopefully 2024 is a better year for us, for me, and all of you guys. Whatever y'all goals are, I hope y'all can achieve them. And thank you for watching. Bye.